shake, shake the parachute, shake, shake, shake the parachute, shake, shake, shake the parachute because it's Kaylin's birthday. That's right, Kaylin. What do we put on top of the parachute next? So could you get the bag of balls for me? Thank you. Now, basketball, babe. I got it. Now, how old are you, Kaylin?
3 years.
So, I put how many balls inside?
Wait.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Manuel, could we stop for just a moment? Okay, there is 3 balls. Let's wait. Let's do it all together. All together. Is that okay? All together? Okay. All together. S-T-O-P, stop. To the ground, boys and girls. Let's do it all together and move like popcorn. Like popcorn popping. Let's do it all together, okay? Wait, all together. Can we count to 5? 6? Okay, we can count to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finish all the. Oh, it's okay.
Kaylin, pick it.
All right, could you put the balls back inside the bag for me? Thank you very much. 1, thank you, Manuel.
Maria had one more in there.
And 2, put it inside the bag. And Kaylin, could you take off your shoes for me? You're gonna go on your birthday ride. There we go. And Sammy, thank you.